Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste and Vanakkam. Welcome back to my channel.
Ayan Ganesh.
Samira Sharif.
Ayan Ganesh.
Alright guys, so as you all have already seen the thumbnail, today I'm going to recreate one of my mom's picture in which she's pregnant with me. When I was in her womb, this picture was clicked by my dad. I think they were at the hospital or something, and he clicked this picture of my mom, and I thought, why not recreate that? Because that picture is very, very special to my mom. Obviously because I was in the womb, and I think that is the only picture that she has with the baby bump. So yeah, I'm super excited.
This?
Yeah, the same Nani photo when baby was in Nani's womb. That one. Nani का जो ऐसा था ना, like this, in which baby थे. That वाला photo.
No, Ayan te.
अयान कैसा रहता है नानी का?
Ayan te. सही में.
Okay, fine. So we would be recreating that picture, so for which we would obviously need my Jiju's help, and also I have made couple of preparations for that. I will quickly show those things to you guys. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so finally the setup is ready. I'll quickly show you guys the things that I have for the recreation. Guys might have seen the picture in the thumbnail, but I haven't shown you guys the picture. I'll show it to you guys once we reach to my sister's place. So let me quickly show you guys the stuff that I'm carrying. So this is the crop top that I got from Amazon. So this has basically come up with a full sleeve thing. I would be chopping this here. And next we have a golden sari, which is my mother-in-law's. And then we have some similar looking golden jewelry right here. Probably you will understand once I wear it. And then my mom is also wearing a watch, something similar to this one, and also she's wearing some bangles, so probably I'll just leave these ones as it is. And to press the sari, I would be carrying my handy steam iron and also a hanger. So let me quickly pack everything in this bag. Guys, finally we have come to Appa Jiju's home. We as in Ayan and myself. And my Jiju is right there. He's working, he's doing his office work. I'm going to disturb him and ask him to click my picture. And also showing you guys this picture that we are going to recreate. I'll probably flash it here so that it will be more clear. So we would be recreating this particular picture of my mom having me in her womb. So yeah, and as you see, it's a black and white picture, and the behind wall looks black. I don't know why it looks black though. So yeah, for that we would be using this black cloth, so it'll be comfortable and easy for us. And also you guys have seen my mom is wearing a black blouse, for which I have the black crop top. And yeah, let's quickly set up everything and get ready. Alright guys, so as you've seen, I have pressed the sari. Now we are going to chop the sleeves of the crop top. As you see, it is a full length sleeve, and what my mom is wearing is somewhere it is around half a sleeve, less than half in fact. So probably I'll chop the sleeve right here. So let's quickly do that. After chopping the crop top zillion times, finally I have come up with this length. So here you can see all tiny pieces of the crop top line. So finally this is going to be our blouse, as you can see. Now it's time for me to get ready. Obviously my mom never wore so much makeup, so first thing that we are going to do is get rid of this makeup. So let's go and quickly do that.
Excuse me. And I only do makeup.
I'm not doing makeup, I'm removing the makeup.
Why?
Because baby Nani never did makeup, no, so baby is getting rid of her makeup. Okay guys, so I've tied my hair up. So I would just wash my face. I'll quickly splash some water. And the mascara that I'm wearing is not waterproof, so it will just go off with the help of the water. And it will obviously leave the black cast around my eyes if I do that. So what we are going to do is we are going to use a face wash to get rid of. Yeah, so we are going to use a face wash to get rid of my makeup. And obviously the face wash that I'm going to use is by Derma Vibe. It is their Hydra Cleanser, and this has colloidal oatmeal in it. Yeah, of course. You can stand up and put. Oh, not so much, but so I would just need little. And so as I said, this has colloidal oatmeal in it, and this is very gentle on our skin and also removes all the dirt and gunk from our skin, so it is very comfortable to get rid even of the makeup. Can you see how instantly it has removed all my makeup? Alright guys, so now that I've cleansed my face, the next thing that I'm gonna do is moisturize, and for which I'm gonna use the Nutriderm's Vitamin E lotion, and this has vitamin E in it, and also it's gonna moisturize my skin very well, and it works great as a primer before makeup. So now I'm not gonna wear any base makeup, but obviously my mom has beautiful brows and beautiful lips, beautiful pink lips, so I would be wearing some pink lip tint and also doing my brows. So let's quickly moisturize now.
Hi.
So here's the moisturizer, guys. So I would just take so much. So usually I have a dry area around my mouth, my nose and under my eyes. So let me quickly moisturize that place. Now that itself creates that instant glow in my face, just like how my mom's skin was. So now let's quickly do the brows and lips. Obviously before doing my brows, I need to moisturize my lips as well, and for which I'm going to use Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Then I'm going to use my most favorite, my current favorite, Nykaa's Oso Brow and Brow Mascara. So first we're going to take the Take a Bow and fill in the sparse areas. So basically the arch, wherever I have my brow arch is where I have some sparse areas in my brow. So I'm gonna just fill that place and try to keep my brows as natural as possible, because obviously my mom did not wear so much makeup. My mom did not wear any makeup to say. Now before applying the brow mascara, I would first use a spoolie to brush my brows in place. And then add on some brow mascara. And for lips, I'm going to use the Renee's Fab 5 and the pink shade that we have in the Fab 5. And I'm going to apply very little, okay, so that... Okay, so we're going to keep it as natural as possible and apply very little. So now that we're done with our face, next we should be doing our hair, but that I think we'll do post we wear our sari. So let's go and quickly change. Alright guys, so finally I'm done wearing the sari. So this is what I'm wearing. It's a crop top and a golden sari of my mother-in-law. And next up I'm going to do my hair. So my mom is wearing a pleated braid, obviously a braid, regular braid. Her hair is pretty long, so for that I'm going to use these extensions. These extensions are not as curly as my hair, but something is better than nothing, right? So I'm going to use these extensions. These are little, like, you know, the beachy curl sort of a thing. So I would be using these, and let's quickly do the braid. Oh my god guys, I am almost done with my hair and looking very nice. I like it. I hope my mom likes it. Next we are going to go to the jewelry. She's wearing all gold jewelry. Obviously I don't have that gold jewelry, but I have that fancy gold type of a thing. So let's quickly wear that. Appa, how am I looking?
Just like mommy.
Appa, cha. Thoda to be. Is there any little resemblance at least?
Yeah, of course. Hair.
Just the dress.
Hair.
Oh, just the hair.
Dress.
That's all.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so I tried my best to recreate the look, but this is how it has turned out. Let's see my Jiju's skills now, what and how he's gonna capture. I want same angle, same everything. That doesn't mean that he will copy paste my mom from that picture and paste it here and say, Sam, this is you. So yeah, let's quickly go and start filming.
So here, Samira is trying to copy my mom.
I'm ready.
Bebu is getting ready with camera. Bebu.
कितनी देर मम्मी का फेस बना. एक बार बताना इसमें.
हाँ, अभी तो सामने देख रहे हैं, जब मैं बोलूँगा मैं तो देखो.
थोड़ी सी क्यूट है, थोड़ी सी करारी भी.
Guys, after the struggle, finally we got some pictures of which probably we would choose one. And now let's see the final look.
में ठंडा सा शरबत, खट्टा मीठा सा, जैसे सर्दी में चाहत का कोई कंबल मोटा सा. मेरी प्यारी अम्मी जो है, मेरी प्यारी अम्मी जो है, मेरी प्यारी अम्मी जो है, मेरी प्यारी अम्मी जो है. मुश्किल में होती हूँ, अम्मी मेरी रोती है, खुशी में भी मेरी वो दुपट्टा भिगोती है.
Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my recreating my mom's picture. Thank you so much, Appa and Jiju.
Oh,
Oh,
you're welcome.
you're welcome guys.
And also guys, if you haven't subscribed to their channel yet, please go and subscribe it as Hyderabadi Beauty and Delhi Beats. It'll be linked in the description box down below. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Until I'll see you next. Lots of love.
टल जाए हर मुश्किल, जैसे किस्मत की चाबी है वो जो खोले हर ताला. मैंने अपने सपनों का